Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a concrete goal and the exact timestamps from the long video. This saves time later. Once done, scan for high-energy or emotional 15-60-second moments that hook in the first 1 to 3 seconds, because retention drives distribution. Make sure to jot timestamps and a one-line reason for each clip so you don't guess later. You'll avoid rewatching hours. Instead, you'll have a short list of ready-to-edit moments that match your goal and audience. You now edit with vertical delivery in mind. Convert the 16:9 source to 9:16 and reframe so faces and motion stay centered. Trim tightly to 15-60 seconds and place a 2-3 second punch or hook at the start. This improves click-through and watch time. Once done, add concise captions and quick cuts to maintain tempo, plus subtle scale or pan to imply motion. Make sure audio levels are clear, and any music is mixed below dialogue. You finish by exporting H.264 1080x 1920 at 3060 fps and 812 mbps for a crisp file that uploads fast. Once exported, upload with a hook-driven title, 3-5 relevant tags, and one-line caption that encourages rewatch. Schedule or publish immediately. Make sure to review retention graphs within 24-48 hours. If retention underperforms, tighten the opening. Swap in a different 1-3 second hook, or try alternate thumbnails. Those adjustments usually fix low watch time quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.